So, after my last video, somebody asked me, what is Google Drive? And I thought that's a perfect question for today's video. In this video, I'll explain to you what Google Drive is, why it's useful, the kinds of file that you can save on it, how safe it is, and I'll also give you a quick demo on how to get started on Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a free cloud storage service from Google. It means that instead of keeping all your files only in your computer, phone, hard drive, or even USB, you can store them online in the cloud and then access them anytime from any device as long as you have internet. Every account automatically comes with 15 gigabyte of free storage space on the drive. I mean, that's quite a lot if you're just starting out. What can you save on Google Drive? You can save almost any type of file on Google Drive, just like you would your USB or your computer. You can save documents like Word, PDF, Google Docs. You can save spreadsheets and presentation, photos and videos, audio files, even applications or zipped folders. So yes, you can save your pictures and videos. You can also upload apps or software files if you want to keep a backup. Think of it as your online hard drive. So, why use Google Drive in the first place? There are a few advantages to using Google Drive. Backup and safety. If your computer or phone should crash, your files are still safe online. Access anywhere. Your files go with you, whether on your phone, tablets, or even another computer. Sharing made easy. Instead of sending big attachments on email, you can just simply share a link. Collaboration. With Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you and your team can work on the same file at the same time from anywhere in the world. So it's not just about storage, it's also about teamwork. Now, one common question is it safe to save my files on the drive? Think of it this way. Remember those days we used to write letters? Imagine wanting to write a letter to your sweetheart and you don't want anyone else reading it. So before you give the delivery person, who is most likely her friend, you will write it in a secret code. If someone along the road tries to open the letter, all they'll see is meaningless symbols. They can't read it. But when your sweetheart receives it, they'll have the key to decode it back to real message. This is exactly what Google does to your file. When you upload them, they scramble it into code. That's called encryption. So nobody else can read them. And only when you log into your account does Google show you the real version. To make it even safer, always use strong passwords. And if possible, turn on two-factor authentication. When you open your Gmail account, there are 9 dots on the top right of your screen. Click on this and simply go to Drive. This will take you straight to your Google Drive. You may also wish to go to drive.google.com and log in. It will take you directly to your drive. In your drive, on the top left side of your screen, you're going to see New. This will allow you carry out some functions. For more details, check the description box of this video. So, to recap, Google Drive is a free cloud storage service. It comes with 15 gigabyte of free space and lets you store any type of file, including photos, videos, and apps, keeps your files safe through encryption, and makes it easy to access and share your files from anywhere in the world. If you want to learn how to create Google Docs, upload a file to Google Drive, collaborate with others, or organize files in Google Drive, I will be leaving links to these videos in the description box of this video. No stress, just tech with Malamur Tech. Thank you.